So what I got is the color number 1 Paris. The effect is silky, the consistency is compact, area of application eye of course, and the product type is palette. Finish look is shimmering and matte. So it contains 10 fascinating colors for unmistakable eye makeup. The highly pigmented powders inspired with their velvety soft texture, which melt perfectly with the lid and impresses with maximum color intensity. The eyeshadow with matte and shimmering finish put the eye in the limelight as effectively as they are elegant and make the luxurious couture palette a unique beauty accessory. Like, this is so beautiful. Just look at that. I can't wait to use it. Like, it's such a beautiful handsome boy. This eyeshadow palette is so beautiful, and of course to the movable lid and blend, I highly recommend this. Yeah, the shades are so beautiful, and yeah, so beautiful. And the lighter shade are ideal for highlighting as well, which is so pretty. Beautiful, like, it's so beautiful. Jesus. So it's from YSL. The colors are pretty. Oh my god, I mess it up. Oh my god. Can't wait to use them. Like, I can't wait to use them. They're so pretty, like, so pretty. I got some mirror here as well. Can you see me? Hello? Can you see me, y'all? So, yes. Very pretty. I love it. It's so pretty, very sleek, very chic, very nice, very cute as well. And this is such a pretty piece. So this eyeshadow, I cannot wait to use them. Like, so the gifts are coming. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I love this thing. It's so beautiful. It's very nice, very beautiful. I love YSL. Like, this is how it looks. It's just a tiny little boxing. Very cheap, very nice. And I just love it so much. This is how it colors. It's time to dress your eyes. It's a must-have for fashion and makeup lovers. So pretty, love it. So this is how the color looks. It looks so pretty. Got the ash, the yellow, the purple, the pink. I just love it so much. So I can't wait to use this. Like, I don't know if I can show you. And it glosses so perfect and beautiful. Glosses so well. So nice. I love it. After receiving this, I went to the website to check. It wasn't cheap at all. So cutie. Beautiful. I love it. So beautiful. This is inspired by the look of YSL bags. As you can see, it has such a beautiful leather around it. It's so beautiful. The unique selection of the colors is everything. The texture, the finish is inspired by the metropolises of Marrakech and Paris. So beautiful. They're highly pigmented. They are so highly pigmented. Eyeshadows complement each other and conjure up a wide range of looks, from velvety, matte, and subtle nude to eye catching. Okay, the colors are so intense. Look, I mean, it's such a beautiful colors. This is just wow. I would say this is the most beautiful eyeshadow palette I've ever owned. The individual shades are beautiful and totally special. Can definitely recommend her. It's such a beauty. It's so pretty. Absolutely in love with all these colors.